For all your medicines, contact Lab Pharmacy opposite Asante Mampong Market. Lab Pharmacy, where quality medicines are affordable.
Welcome to Bright Company Enterprise. Bright Company Enterprise is opposite the MTN office, Asante Mampong.
Phone magazine yedwumadi a yedie ebi ne se ye repair phone ahoro nyina na afenso ye ton accessories unlocking flashing decoding o we phone magazine ayo Asante Mampong main lorry station about Sanpo Flyers no store number 23.
Me Hamid Ase say ubisa ya no kre say Mampong municipality in COVID-19 cases no kosoro na sisi ya no kasei ya fa over 300 samples and they call for testing. The results no nyini nyina na yenye bi the yenya no you say you could have 39 confirmed cases. So far no the bigina no yen cases na yenya nyina no most of them are asymptomatic. Very few of them no mushu symptoms. So they are strong and healthy. Yes. Yeah, for all the cases that we have, the confirmed cases, none of them is in any critical condition at the moment. The youngest amongst women is 19 years. The youngest person were tested positive were 19 years.
Na na cases no obi ebusa se tracing ana se nkofo na de omo ho hospital se bia me kohwe me ho yade bi na ye hu se covid ne bi na ede ne ho agim ho nsem etise
yo mami nchire mu very simple de ho ne se ebi mu wo ho a na ye nya wo mo through contact tracing obi wo ho a no test positive they will see a cofa ne contacts the immediate contacts are obekai nti ebi mu wo ho a ye be kwa cofa e be test no positive obi nsusu wo ho no ma na o show symptoms until ono ankasa to me report it to the hospital na ya nso ya taking a sample na yakwa koye test until no na in simple terms no dey me person me confirm
na sisi ya yeken Mampong obi ebebusa say 39 cases baby a ye share da yi senka ye de behwe no sa 39 no munya baby do mugu e o Mampong ha ho nsem te say
see ya me no ka say assurance meeting me dia ma Mampong for ne say 39 no e den e bi mo recover we cumulative figure na dem ma we bi mo recover over the period and we be more for about 3 weeks now, 1 month now, those people have recovered. But you need district isolation or treatment center. You need you. And most of them, no, it call mo fie ko say can they self isolate. Then we advise them and we give them the support to self isolate, and they go through the treatment.
Na enipa ya na mo call mo ho no se mo call na mo ye especially tracing no nipa no ya na omo ebra omo ho ase e makwan ma mo no omo edi nkita ho challenge be na mo face was afan
challenge dey you face bebre ye kwa ebi mo ho a ya na edu baby kura na ya da ne ntokwa ebi mu di atem no mba de adwuma yenso yesua ya fa to ye ho se ebe ye no enti no obi a ya shede sua adwuma ye de na o say challenges ni nyina already no we are aware say we are going to face those challenges enti edu ho a yenso ye hu kwan a ye be faso
sisi ya Mampong 39 mujiri se enioma bi na atosin wo Mampong fam ha amanamba no ekoso ana se say na ehun 70
the meeting can say Mampong is a very busy place, especially Mampong town, a very busy place, especially during the market days. Kudru market hona the way ya omo bi ditwa edwa sede omo si tutu omo niema fa ne omo ho keka na emwa zanze yen pese obia observe social distancing, but no main challenge is the hand washing no money you know ye wo hand washing materials no mu ne eyi wo ho nanso so no den say Veronica bucket no ensuo na egum no say san ho na ekohwe bia ekosa bia ba begum but at least yetimi social distancing no yetimi observe eno na hand sanitizer kra na yede be clean yen sa periodically abi fi say nke no ade e beboa yin na yen how ba ko pa no yen observe the precautionary measures no we are not observing them.
Na director mesa busa asemu se ebia obi a wotie nkomo yi obebusa se sisi a mo ka se mo recording more cases no Mampong municipality na so ye centered in Mampong and as in krasi ni nyina no sisi the red alert aso ho.
What I can say is majority of the cases in Mampong town. A few other communities be so there was a problem.
Okay. What's the way forward now? So say they are seminar directory no more can edit episode. More confirm say Mampong. Total samples 300 amoka se modi akwa mu 39 ya confirm no. E dey na mo kan e dey atato. Yen hwani mu say benya more cases. Ana say ye mompa ye say the Ghana da bia ye no empaibo
enye empaibo adwin sakra de wo ho ne say ye wo say expect say ye benya more cases aka but menka emfantu amanfo akoma. I don't want to create any panic but me kan mu bia den ada ne ho so say yare no real is there enti no say obi ka say oh we ni ho obi kra pese o kire say se obi anya bia ye nko kire nipa wenye bi ansano wajiatum ansano wabone ho ban. In the next few weeks we hope to get some more cases, especially from yen samples are outstanding ye twen say test results no be ba the entire makers ye betimi increase yen numbers no ne say the entire makers ye betimi increase yen numbers no ne say ye hwe cases na o ma test positive na most of them have come into contact with sa enkrofo na ya form samples and you know it tells you say the probability say you be increase in figures no very high and you know we are hoping say in the next few weeks you know you be update your records no na numbers na san ekoso bebre o ha test results no bebre o ha negative
okay
yes na mintimi mfa figure no emma o say me pese me ma wrong figure
okay
bebre o ha aba eno so negative test results
from the 300 now
300 now ye akon but at least ye ni kra no ye obeye more than 100 to 150 outstanding results are here.
Later Cecilia no obi a ehunu Mampong yekura 39 yesa ewo backlog aka eno so wo se yehwehwem ni ehu si ebenya positive and negative directory no mo na mo ebo dwumadi ehu dede pa yi mo nsem a mo ka the way forward and say
de ebeka kire Mampong man nyina ne say ye ka Ghana enti no de president ne ka ye ne nyina so na wo se yedi so se ya me no ka se ano pay ne MC ene top management team bi ko share e kodwendwen sa ne mai ya na MC so no watu no ho asi ho say obeboa ama yetimi ade yentutu ye atu yi se de be ya ibitimi akonsa ayare enti omo a ombe public education risk communication so team no they will be going out and to intensify their public education to create awareness and so you be contact tracing, enhanced contact tracing. We are going to enhance that and ensure say ubia waba into contact with the confirmed case beyond you be reaching nipan. And I am estimating say young fakra no you more than 300 contacts. Is and say any be more didn't come who say obi wo ho no ma me contacts are oni wo mahia abra who say what test positive no they are more than 30 nipa ba ho enti no ye wudwuma dwumadi a eda ye nima ye ba abedi afi so no ye pese enforcement team no they should be up and doing, they should be resourced so that they will be able to do their work. They do market days. Market ho. Risk communication for ye omujuma omo create awareness, public education no. Na anka adherence and enforcement team no almost namufa. Na anka womo say people would obey the protocols. Hand washing, social distancing, not coming into contact with large groups of people. So that is the work of the enforcement and the adherence team. Into near my you meet na you coordinate a be na mabo boss.